Hello and welcome to this checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by Samuel Loyd in 1877. See that black has the king, 3 pawns, 2 knights, the rook and the queen. White has the king, 2 rooks, 2 knights, the bishop and a queen. White's turn. Can you see the checkmate in 2? If you move the king to c3, black can delay the checkmate by moving their rook to c8. You can then move the king out of the way. The rook can move back and then take the knight with the queen. Black can then take the knight with their knight, and then you can move in, but not a checkmate in 2. Moving the knight to d3 doesn't get you a checkmate in 2 because black can take it with the queen. Then you have to move your king on the next go. Taking the knight with the queen doesn't get you a checkmate in 2 because black can move the rook to check the white king. And the king can move out of the way. And you can get another check as black by moving the knight. Taking the queen with the knight doesn't get you a checkmate in 2 because the pawn can take it back. And although you can check the king with your rook, the king has an escape square. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need more time. The way to get the checkmate in 2 to white is to actually move the king to b3. If black moves the knight to a1, you can take it with the queen to checkmate in 2. Black moves the knight to one of the other positions, the queen can then move to d4 to checkmate in 2. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.